Srila Prabhupada ki, Sri Harinam Sankirtan ki, Bharat Miranga ki. Hare Krishna. So I think it is most auspicious this evening to have in our midst Srila Prabhupada, Tulsi Devi, Mahamantra, Srila Haridas Thakur, Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Andhra Prabhu is there also, and all these wonderful instruments, the mridangas, harmonium, kartals, all these are most auspicious parphernalias, that you may say, instruments that use glorifying their Lordship, Sri Shinitai Gaurachandra, as we all call in the name of the Lord in congregational chanting, as we bear up here for continuous 9 days of kirtan. It will be 216 hours of non-stop kirtan, and through these instruments definitely they enhance the kirtan, the harmonium, the mridanga, the kartals enhance the kirtan, and they are very dear to the Lord, you may say. The paraphernalia that used in the service of the Lord is very dear to the Lord, just like the bell, the panchal, the chamra, the pikatpan. They're all very dear to the Lord, just like the Vaishnavas are also dear to the Lord. So it's wonderful that we're getting this opportunity here at NPSC this evening to take part in this beautiful ceremony, inauguration ceremony, the eve of 24-hour kirtan, 9 days 24-hour kirtan. So we have in our midst two of our senior most members here in Eastern Guyana. This was Paramati Prabhu and Haridas Prabhu.
Yeah, but I remember the third year. I remember in Vrindavan, they started maybe 2 years ago also, but that year there was all the big names in kirtan that attended. There was Agnidev, Prabhupada Charu, Swami, and Gauravani. You've probably heard those names, and like all over America. And then just like people hearing those big names, people from every corner of the United States, came down. There was no place, for anyone. All the guest house, and everything was filled up. And it was so intense. When you're in the kirtan, you felt that you are outside of the material world.
About the importance of the holy name. What remains for me to say is that I wish to commend Prabhupada Dev Prabhu and the organizers, spearheaded by Giri Krishna Prabhu, from what I understand. Is that so? From experience. To arrange this wonderful event. As we heard, this is the third year in observing the 9 days, 24 hours kirtan. And I was saying to Prabhupada Dev Prabhu a few days ago when he invited me to attend the inauguration here today, this evening, it is very historical because from my understanding, I've never heard anywhere else in our ISKCON centers there are 9 days of 24 hours kirtan. And this is the third year this is happening here. So this is very historical, and I certainly like to congratulate Prabhupada Dev Prabhu to take this initiative along with the others, brahmacharis. As you've seen, today's event basically is to acknowledge the many personalities behind the holy name in our era and previously in worshipping of the instruments. Of course, in the spiritual world, there's nothing inanimate. Everything is a person in the spiritual world. The harmonium, the mridangas, everyone is like a person participating in worshipping the Lord. So it is important that we acknowledge all the many paraphernalias that will be used in the performance of this 9 days, 24-hour kirtan. And we hope that devotees will enthusiastically participate, come forward. And this is the most auspicious event that we can consider in this age of Kali Yuga. This is the Yuga Dharma, the chanting of the Lord's holy name. So I'm very positive and very sure that by this event there will be so much auspiciousness in the environment here and individually for all of us who are participating. Thank you. Haribol.
We need to check carefully what is going on in the altar.